What is meant by vehicle pollution? Smoke coming from vehicle. Which part of the vehicle affects the vehicular pollution? The condition of engine. Which engine produces least pollution? Electric engine. What kind of pollution is made by horn? Sound pollution. Which vehicular engine among two-stroke and four-stroke engine makes more pollution? Two-stroke. What kind of vehicle is more suitable for making a city pollution-free? Electric. Where is the pollution level of EV, electric vehicle, checked? None of them. In which area should horn not be blown? Area near school and hospital. From which part of vehicle does smoke exit? Silencer. Which is the prevailing pollution standard in Nepal? (2069 BS). Why is vehicular pollution test done? Both A and B. Which office does the vehicular pollution test? Both A and B. Among the vehicles mentioned below, to which kind of vehicle is vehicular pollution standards 2069 not applicable? Heavy equipment like dozer loaders etc. What happens if one drives the vehicle with no pollution-free sticker in restricted area? Both A and B. What kind of vehicles pollution is not checked? Electric vehicle. Which office doesn't do vehicular pollution test? Traffic Police Office. What is normally checked in a vehicular pollution test? Smoke. Which office does the work of vehicle fitness test? Department of Transport Management. What color sticker is attached to Safer, Clean, Tempo? Green. Which pollution is caused by vehicular smoke? Air pollution. Which fuel causes more pollution? Diesel. For what kind of vehicle is fitness certificate needed? All of the above. Where is motorcycle pollution test done? None of the above. What is the color of pollution sticker? Green. What happens if one drives without testing vehicle's pollution level? Fine. How often is government vehicles pollution test done? Every 6 months. What does the green sticker used in vehicle indicate? Vehicle without pollution. Among the vehicles below, which one doesn't emit smoke? Trolleybus. How can pollution be decreased? All of the above. Where is vehicular pollution law regulation implemented? All over Nepal.